Hello everyone, a warm welcome to you all. I'm Akhil and I'll be your host for this exciting internship program by Next Era Unitech. So at Next Era Unitech, we are committed to empowering learners by like you. So with the industry relevant skills in data analytics, data science and AI. Over the next few months, in this particular program, you're going to gain hands-on experience, work on capstone projects and build expertise in cutting edge technologies. This is not just an internship, it's a gateway to a rewarding career in data analytics, AI, and data science. Right? So stay engaged. I'll take up all your questions at the last and no, make the most of this learning journey. Once again, I welcome all of you. Let's get started, friends. So this is the agenda that we're going to, fixed. We'll discuss about our company initially. Okay. So then we'll talk about what exactly is an internship. Then we'll understand what are the phases do we have as part of this internship. And we'll talk about the projects that we are going to discuss or we are going to do as part of the internship again. We'll talk about the certification and the career opportunities one by one. So initially, let me talk about Next Era Unitech. At Next Era Unitech, we believe in learning by doing, friends. So this particular program will not just teach you concepts, but also you are going to gain the confidence to apply them in the real world. Okay, so we explicitly deliver trainings in the space of data analytics, data science, artificial intelligence. We also deliver trainings on full stack Python, IoT, cybersecurity, and all. Okay, so we have a well designed industry based curriculum. We focus on hands on learning as well. And we also do free internship programs. We conduct free internship programs as well. Okay, so this is a crisp introduction about Next Era Unitech. Then, when it comes to internship, majority of us, whoever is watching this the video live, this particular session, as well as whoever is going to watch the session, what exactly do you mean by an internship? Can you walk me through the meaning of internship exactly? If someone asks me what is an internship, I'll make my statement like this. Internships are the stepping stones to a successful career. Am I right? Yes. Why? Because we are going to get real world experience. When we do an internship that is organized by any organization or company, okay, we are going to achieve real world experience. So we are going to experience how real world looks. Okay. Then throughout this program, you will experience how data-driven technologies are used in real-world scenarios. So it is going to enhance our problem solving. Then it is also focusing on the opportunity to work on projects. Okay. So everyone, whoever is enrolling as part of this internship, they'll be given with a project. You're supposed to work on it. Individual project, right? It will be assigned as a group, but still at the end, your artifacts, your documents will be collected individually. And as part of this internship, you can also grow your network, right? So we have structured this particular internship to ensure that, you know, by end, by the end, you're not just learning, but also gaining hands-on experience with industry applications. So that is the reason we have the phases. Okay, these are the internship phases on which we are going to get trained. Initially, we'll have an orientation session. So I'll be discussing what are the tools and the expectations that we are expecting from you, and followed by the learning phase. Learning phase, we are going to start immediately the next day itself. Okay, where we'll be learning the concepts, the core concepts, whatever are required to do a project. So we are going to learn the concepts as well as part of learning phase. Then we'll provide mentorship throughout the program. Okay. And that will be guided by some of the experts from our side. Okay. As well as we also focus on the project. Once the learning phase is done, we'll focus on the project phase. So whatever we are learning, the concepts over here will be applied on a project, right? So this is a structured internship where you'll get receive daily assessments. So you'll have daily assessments, live mentor support. So on every, weekend, probably it might be on Friday or Saturday, we'll be having an interaction session on which we are going to connect, and we'll be, discussing whatever we have done in this week, right? Then you're also going to reward with a free industry recognized certificate to boost your career. At the end, you're going to get a free internship certificate as well. But the main question is, what are we going to learn as part of this internship? So friends, as I have discussed, we'll be focusing more on the learning phase, because we are focusing on Python, EDA, data cleansing, SQL and Power BI. So all these 5 different skills you're going to learn as part of 30 days. Okay. So in the next 30 days, we'll be learning all the 5 topics. On max, we are going to invest 2 hours per day. Okay. On an average, we are going to invest 2 hours per day, and we'll be learning the skills continuously for the next 30 days. Once after completing the learning phase, immediately we'll start a project. Okay. So in the project phase, probably we'll be doing the project for 15 days. That means 2 weeks. So with complete assistance, I'll be just assisting you, but I'll not do the project. The reason is you are the one who have learned, right? So you will be doing the project. I hope it's making sense. So we'll be very strict with respect to your learning phase as well as project phase. Once if you have provided the documents, your artifacts, everything has been submitted, we'll be evaluating them and you'll be issued with a certificate, right? And additionally, you'll have daily assessments to ensure that you are learning this particular topic on the day or not. Okay. And as I have discussed, every week we'll have 2 hours doubt clarification sessions. And the first and the most benefit of this program is you need not pay even a single penny from your pocket, not even a rupee. Okay. So this is completely free. We are organizing this internship as a free course, a program, and you can learn and develop yourself. And the certificate will be again a free industry recognized certificate is what you're going to get. I hope it's making sense. Whatever we have discussed, I'll be again now talking about them. I'll take your questions at the last, but whatever the questions you have, just make a note of all these questions. Right. Then, if you ask me about certification, so Akhil, you told that we are going to get a free certification. Yes, your learning is being rewarded, friends. Whatever you'll be learning, whatever you'll be doing on the project, you'll be rewarded at the end with a certificate. Okay, so you're going to receive a certificate from our company, organization, Nextera Unitech. This certificate, whatever the certificate that you're going to get will be valid. It is going to validate your knowledge and make you stand out in job applications. So whenever you apply in real world, when you have this particular certificate from a recognized company that you have done internship in the space of data analytics, data science, AI. So obviously you'll be standing out apart from other folks, right? So apart from it, this particular certification, you can also post it on your LinkedIn profile. Okay. So to add some kind of credibility, you can also post it in your LinkedIn profile and enhance your resume as well. Yes, you can also add it to your resume. And this is going to demonstrate that you have worked on a project, that you have a project experience is what it is going to showcase at the end, right? Then let us also talk about career opportunities. So friends, this particular internship, it is going to open doors to many career opportunities in the space of data analytics, data science, and AI. So companies are actively hiring professionals with these skills. I need not speak about, the highly demanded skills in the market. Everyone is aware that AI is grabbing the attention. In the same way, we have lot of openings in the space of data related roles. Okay, so you'll be immediately ready for the job opportunities once if you are completing a graduation or post graduation, and you can apply for the relevant roles. It might be a data analyst, a data scientist, or AI engineer, ML engineer, whatever it might be. Then, with respect to the industry demand, you're going to get the certificate. You'll have a lot of demand for the data professionals, and moreover, you can build lot of connections. Okay, you can build your connections. So, friends, I'll I'll just tell that this is a really a golden opportunity to master data analytics, data science, and AI, and have a kickstart for a rewarding career. This is what I would like to comment in the last, because we are not going to charge anything. It's completely free. Okay, you can join the program and immediately can be part of the internship. Okay, so once if you are done with the basic registration, be part of our WhatsApp community, because only in our WhatsApp community we generally have the discussions between you and us. Okay, so between you people and Nextera Unitech, we have the communication in WhatsApp community. Be part of it, and everything will be communicated in the community itself. So, are you ready to start your career? It's up to you, friends. So don't miss this golden opportunity. Join our program and gain the demanded skills which is required in the market. So now I'll take up your questions. So if you have any kind of questions, yes, shoot your questions. Any questions for me? Okay. Assuming no questions, we had a good session today. Again, we'll meet in the next orientation session of this particular program. Until then, take care. Have a great day. Signing off. Bye.